Hi, my name's Claire and I'm a travel expert here at Mahlatini Luxury Travel. Today I wanted to talk to you about Pack for a Purpose. Here at Mahlatini, we're not only super passionate about conservation of animals, but also the local communities. And we've been in partnership with Pack for a Purpose for a number of years now. It's a really good way to take out essential items that's needed in the local communities and schools around the safari lodges that you might be staying in. So if you head over to the Pack for a Purpose website, you can look up the country that you're going to, you can find the lodge that you're staying at, and they'll give you a list of all the items that are desperately needed at the local schools or within the local communities. You can then fill up all the spaces in your bag with that stuff, take it over with you, and we can either arrange that it's taken off you at the airport and delivered on your behalf, or what I really like to do is go in and in between game drives, stop at the local school and drop it off myself. And it just really enhances your whole holiday. You're doing something good, it's not going to cost you a fortune, and we would really appreciate if you looked into it on your next safari experience. If you have any questions at all, please let us know.